Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Have you installed Homebrew on your Mac but no longer need it? In this video, I will show you how to completely uninstall Homebrew from your Mac safely. We will remove Homebrew itself, delete any remaining files and verify that everything has been removed. So let's get started. First open your terminal, press Command plus spacebar and search for terminal and press enter. Now we are ready to remove Homebrew. Now I will give you the command in the description. Just copy the command and now paste it on the terminal and press enter. That's it. As you can see here, are you sure you want to uninstall Homebrew? This will remove your installed package. Okay. If Y, yes, and N for no, just simply press yes, Y and press enter. As you can see, removing Homebrew. Now you can see here it is asking for the password. Just provide your Mac password here. Simply. And that's it. You can see here you may wish to remove them yourself. Now what you have to do, simply just paste the another command. I will give it on the description, this as well. Paste it here. Then press enter. Now let's check that Homebrew is successfully uninstalled or not. Simply copy the command. Now paste it here. Then press enter. As you can see, command not found. It means it is successfully uninstalled. In most cases, Uninstall Script remove everything automatically. Okay. You may want to uninstall Homebrew if you are no longer using command line tools, you are troubleshooting installation issues, you want to reinstall Homebrew from scratch, you are cleaning up your Mac and freeing up storage. Okay, and that's how you can completely uninstall Homebrew from your Mac. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notification for more Mac tutorial. Thank you for watching.